Hey guys, welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do this tutorial on how to walk in slow-mo. It's super popular on TikTok right now, so I'm going to teach you step-by-step, and I'm going to show you my best tips on how to walk in slow motion. So, if you want to walk in place like they do on TikTok, this is what you need to do, alright? So, let's start with the feet. What you want to do is just say step, step, and just show it from the side. So what I'm doing is I'm saying step, step. I don't lift them this high, yeah, just slightly off the ground, all right? And then I go down. Notice how I'm bending my knees slightly. Boom, boom. So just practice this, whoop, whoop. You might also want to practice, leaning a bit from side to side. So boom, 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 boom. This is to exaggerate the effect, all right? So once you've done this a couple of times, you want to add the arms. The arms are just saying, just as if you're walking. You also want to do it a bit more exaggerated, to exaggerate the effect. So when you want to combine it, you want to do opposite, just like when you're walking, right? So when it's the right leg stepping here, you want to swing with your left to the front. All right, and then opposite, left leg, right arm, boom, 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 boom. And don't try to be too stiff. You can loosen up a bit. Hey, notice how I'm bringing my shoulders back and forth here. Whoop. So, wait. And just show it from the side as well. So, walk, 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 walk. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, now to the slow-mo part. So if you want to do a really good slow-mo, I have 3 tips that you need to follow. Number 1, practice one thing at a time. So, for example, when you're doing the slow-mo, you're doing a lot of things. You're doing legs here, the arms, the upper body, your head, maybe even your eyes, yeah? So what you want to do to make it as easy as possible for you, you want to just practice the legs. So you just want to do this slow-mo, slow-mo. And then once you become really good at that, you can say, all right, let's practice the arm. Boom, boom. Number 2, master the transition. So the transition from fast to slow, meaning this is fast, this is slow. All right, so that transition, boom. So basically what you're doing when you go from fast to slow is that you're tensing up your muscles for a microsecond, yeah? And then right after that, you just wanna sort of release. And you don't wanna be tense the whole time because then you might look a bit stiff. So this is what you're doing. Relax, 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 tense, release. And again, relax, 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 tense, release. And the final tip, the third tip, is to include as many things as possible. So the legs is one thing, the upper body, your arms, your head, your eyes, yeah? So the more things you can do in slow-mo, the more realistic it's gonna look. And bonus tip, when you're doing the slow-mo, when you start the slow-mo, start when you're taking a step here, either on your left or your right? And then you start the slow-mo. So what I mean is, you go fast, 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 fast step, slow-mo. Alright, so boom, 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 hey. Boom, 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 hey. Alright guys, so that's all for this dance tutorial on how to do the slow-mo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.